Welcome back. Today is a good day. We are going to pick up some new wheels for the van and I'm buzzing for them really. This has been a long time coming. Obviously they're pretty expensive, so it took a while to get to this point to actually get them, but the job's done, they're paid for. Now all we've got to do is go pick them up. So I've gone for some WolfRace wheels. Luckily they're only about half hour away from me, so I'm going to pop down there, pick them up, and yeah, come with us and we'll show you what we get. I'll tell you what else is an absolute blessing as well, is aircon. Oh my god, it's been well needed with all these hot days. When we bought this van there was one condition, it was aircon. Our old T5 we didn't have any aircon. Every summer we was boiling hot, moaning that we didn't have it, so when we bought the Crafter we said one thing that it has to have is aircon, and I'm so glad we've got it now. It makes such a difference. Right, so I've just been down to WolfRace Alloys in Malden in Essex, collected my wheels, got them loaded into the van very nicely. That's what we've gone for. These are the slot mags, 17-inch. Just fit in here. I've got loads of stuff in the back so I couldn't get them in, and then over here I've got all the other stuff. Got all the centre caps and that for them, and then in here we've got like the spigot rings, we've got the longer wheel nuts and everything for them as well, so these are good to go. I've gone for the RVO Terra Max Pro tyres, all-terrain tyres. They're meant to be a bit quieter on the road but still got like the aggressive look on them. You'll probably see better when they're out the van, but they've still got decent all-terrain tread on them, but yeah, apparently they're a bit quieter, so yeah, hopefully they're going to be all good. So obviously the next job is getting the old wheels off, getting these on, and completely changing the look of the van. Right, now I'm home and out of that busy car park, I can look a bit more at the wheels. So this is what I'm replacing. This is what I had, the original 16-inch steel wheels that come on the van, and it was about time I got the wheels, to be fair, because both my back tyres have proper perished on the sidewalls, as you can see here. They're proper starting to perish, so I needed to get new rear tyres anyway, so it made sense, instead of buying rear tyres and everything and then getting wheels later, just to grab these now. This is what they're roughly going to look like though. Looks so much better. Obviously it's not exact, but yeah, they're a lot bigger than the old wheels, and they're really going to feel like the arches and that there, so it's going to look a lot better when they're on. The van's going to look 10 times better. So in this bag I had earlier, you've got the spigot rings, they're going to go inside the wheel. Got a brochure, obviously, of all the different wheels you can get for vans and that. And then we've got bolts as well, because you need different bolts for alloys than you do the steels. So yeah, like I say, these will be the caps. They've got a little Allen key that secures them in, and they'll be on like that, however they are. So yeah, they're going to look sick when they're on. So with the cap, they come with two black Allen key bolts, and obviously you've got the two holes there, and then all around it you've got the fake Allen keys, so it's not going to look out of place. It's going to look pretty sick actually. It's a pretty good idea. So here we go, there's the wheels I've got, the slot mags, and I don't know if you can see it very well on this camera, but they come in the matte black, which I've got. They've got ones with like a green inner ring, a gold inner ring, and a silver inner ring. Don't know if you can see it that well though. But yeah, and there's kind of all the different off-roady ones they do anyway. And then if you've got a lowered van and prefer the kind of race look, got loads to choose from on there as well. So just if anyone's interested, there is the tyre size, so 245, 65, 17, and there's the ratings on it. Obviously, you know, all-terrain tyres, going to be crap fuel range anyway. B, so not bad. I think they're meant to be like all year round weather tyres, and then obviously 72 decibels noise, but that's quite good for AT tyres. Here we go, the new wheels are on. Couldn't even get a video of fitting them because I haven't got a jack or a torque wrench, so Siobhan had to take it to work. And someone done it at her work, but they're looking much better. I'm just gonna get all this blue off now with some soapy water. But that van looks so much better. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. Got the old white writing on the tyres, which is going to look decent as well against the white van. So clean this off, maybe looking sick. So yeah, like I say, when Siobhan took the van to work, she was obviously working while someone put the wheels on, so didn't get any footage at all of the wheels going on. So defeats the object of this video really of fitting new wheels, but cleaned the white off, cleaned the blue off, sorry. Looking much better. So the final test now is take it for a drive. Obviously it looks good, so let's see how it feels. Let's see what the tyres are like on the road, see how noisy they are, and hopefully they're as quiet as I've read them out to be. So just done a quick trip to the shop, didn't actually go that far, but yeah, it's pretty good. The road noise was pretty quiet. Only got up to about 40 miles an hour on the roads I was on, so really need to go test it down like a motorway or an A road, but all seemed well, so pretty happy with them overall. They look sick and they feel fine. So yeah, if you're looking for some wheels, the WolfRace Alloys pretty decent, look good, and yeah, feel good. So don't know what we're going to get up to next, if we're going to be away or doing something else to the van, so subscribe to the channel and see what we get up to.